Welcome to another triple play. This one's for upper body. Remember, with triple plays, you do 1 minute of each movement, repeat it 3 times for about a 10-minute set. The first one is using a wooden dowel. What you want to do is have you and your partner stagger your feet. Keep your body upright. Try not to lean forward or back. It's good if you have equal heights. So you each grab hold. This one, first one's going to be a push, and it's resisted the whole time. So I'm going to push towards my partner, and she resists me. And then she pushes towards me. And you try to do it with equal resistance so it's pretty steady. You'll see when you're doing this motion, it takes a lot of core control. Okay, now we're going to switch to pull. So that's your first set. Both of us just switch grips. And now I'm going to pull towards me, and my partner's going to resist and vice versa. So I'm going to pull first towards me. And then, yes. And it might take a little while to catch your balance on this, but that's okay. That's part of the stability we're trying to build. Just a couple more. Notice how Michelle is totally upright. She's not leaning into me. So that's the second minute there. And then the third minute is a partner moving target drill. When you hold the target center, that's going to be alternating jabs. And you're going to tell your partner to cross and then move it to what side you want them to cross. So we're going to start with jabs. Cross. Jab center. Cross. Jabs. And cross. Good. When you're doing it, have your partner hit pretty close to your hands, because if not, you're going to get a little wallop from the mat right in your face. So that's your LGN. You can cut that part, can't you?
Yeah, I can slice it. So just say.
Okay.
That's your upper body.
Okay. That's your upper body triple play.